Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to face swap photo and video with free AI tool. So go to this superwork.ai. This is the tool that we're going to use. So go to this website, superwork.ai. So once you're here, so what we're going to do is click on these free, like hover your mouse over these free AI tools, click on it. And then here you have this AI face swap. Okay, click on the AI face swap, click on it. And then once you click on it here, click on face swap now, and then this will open this window here. So here you're going to simply drag and drop the pictures. So if you use a single face, you can use single face. So if you have multiple face, choose multiple face. Okay, in this video I'll just use single. Okay, single face, and upload the target photo. So what's the photo that you want to work on? So just open it up. Okay, so click on upload and then upload your photo. So which one that you want to work on. So for example here, I will just choose this one here probably. Okay, I'll choose this photo. So just choose any photo that you want it to work as a base photo. Okay, and once you've uploaded this, now upload the face photo. So the photo of your face which you want to face swap. Okay, click on it and upload that your photo of that face that needs to be swapped. Okay, so once you download both photos, all you have to do is click on the create on your left side. Okay, so click on the create on your left side, which is the blue icon here. So click on it and this will do the job for you. And there you go. As you can see, so that's the result of the photos that I uploaded. So this is how you can face swap the photo. Suppose if you want to do for a video, so you can do the same thing. Go to your free AI tools here and then click on AI video swap, and then just repeat the same thing, but this time with a video. Click on start swapping now, and then now you go to upload the video and the photos. Okay, so upload the video with the face, so the one that you're going to use. So just open it up. So open up the video and then scroll down and then open the photo face that you want to use. So click on it and then upload the photo face. So once you've uploaded both the video and the face of your photo, what you can do, you can like also adjust the duration, say if you want to, so you can just do that. But other than that, what you can do, once you're done uploading, click on the create again. This time on your left side again, click on the create option. So once you click on the create option, you could just wait for the Superwork to do its job. So once that's done, depending on your task, creating the video might take a bit of time, so you just have to wait for it until once it's done. And there you go. So once this is done, so your video is now ready with the face swapped. So that's the video we just created, and basically that's pretty much it. That's how you do it.